What up? Good morning, YouTube. I'm back. Yeah, I've been taking a little break from it because I've been focusing on getting my business together and elevating and all that other stuff, and it has been real stressful. So, you know, sometimes you got to pay attention to what's paying you at the time, which is Winning Edge Carwash and all the way that it operates and all that good stuff. Before you can get to the next level, you know, that's just life. It is what it is. So I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on with this Ford, because the guy just purchased it as a used vehicle, and he wants it to look better than it does before. So what we got is a bunch of blemishes and stuff on the paint that needs to come off. So I'm gonna show y'all how all these blemishes are on here. I've actually kind of started looking for them, and I got this marker in my hand because I'm marking the spot so I don't miss everything while I'm in the process of doing everything, because when I'm in it I be focused and I don't want to over focus and miss something. So let me show y'all what we got going on. Like right here, you can see right here is like a discoloration. It's hazy, and somebody like either buffed like some overspray or something on this vehicle, and yeah, it didn't come out too good. So what I'm doing is marking spots. You can see in this crease, I don't even know why they was buffing in that crease like that, but I want to be particular and mark these spots so that we can figure out how to fix them. So let me keep doing that. I'm gonna get back to y'all, show y'all the before and after, all that good stuff. What y'all seen me do, I had got this thing kind of washed a little bit, just the panel, so I can quickly get into correcting the paint. I see all my blemishes and stuff like that, and I'm about to take the bumper and get good. Alright guys, we got the paint protection sitting on there for a second. About to spray that off, and then we're gonna dry it up, and I'll show y'all how all the bump marks came out. So let's get to it. Alright, we back, y'all. We got the Ford all nice and glistening. Hey man, let's check it out, show y'all these spots. So y'all remember right here we had a lot of haze going on in the fender. Got all that out. Up here we had a lot of haze going on. All this stuff came out. Y'all seen it marked up right here. Marked up right here. It was bad up in here. All these are like bug etchings right there. And then on the bottom right here, we got all that fixed. So any like dents or dings, you know, that's gonna be in there. On the back side, we had a little spot right here, and then we had some stuff going on up here. But for the most part, y'all see how it came out. That's a nice little paint correction. Charge $460 for that job. So let's get this money, let's get out this heat, let's keep it moving.